Hi guys, it's Christine. I'm going to attempt to record me making this Instant Pot Greek chicken and potato recipe. I've made it before and it's really good. So here we go. And here's the ingredients that you're going to need, and you can just screenshot it here. So here's my carrots and potatoes. The recipe doesn't call for carrots, but when I made it before, I put the carrots in and it was really good. I can't get the right angle on my phone to show you guys peeling the vegetables, but I'll be right back. Here's the carrots and potatoes cut up. And I'm going to get my chicken out of my fridge and we'll start putting it in the Instant Pot. Here is just a shot of the ingredients that we need. And again, here's the potatoes and carrots. Here's the mixture that we put over top of everything once it's in the Instant Pot. And I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so I have the half a cup of chicken broth in the bottom of my Instant Pot and my 2 chicken breasts. I only use 2 because they're fairly thick from Costco. And now what we have to do is pour half of this mixture on top. And then put all of our potatoes. Oops. Lost one on the floor. Another one on the floor. And then I'm adding carrots. Get these in. And then it says to pour the rest of the sauce over. Now I have my Instant Pot lid on. It's set to sealing, and it says we're supposed to pressure cook for 15 minutes. And the last thing I made in my Instant Pot was chicken broth, so that's why it says 3 hours. So we'll bring this down to 15 minutes. And that's it. And once that's finished cooking, we let it natural pressure release for 10 minutes and I will show you the finished product. Okay, so my Instant Pot is done its natural pressure release. Now we're going to release the rest of the steam. Okay, so whoa. And here's what the finished product looked like. I'm gonna go eat my supper now. Thanks for watching.